divisive adjective, divisive. Tending to cause disagreement or hostility between people. Tending to cause disagreement or hostility between people. Divisive, 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 divisive. Example sentence: the highly divisive issue of abortion. Example sentence: the highly divisive issue of abortion. Synonyms: alienating, estranging, isolating, schismatic, discordant, disharmonious, inharmonious. Synonyms: alienating, estranging, isolating, schismatic, discordant, disharmonious, inharmonious. Antonyms: unifying. Antonyms: unifying.